Hi everybody, this is Susie and Rafa from
Hello.
Cheeky Seats. Today we're going to show you how to install one of our Honda Super Cub seat covers. So before we start, we recommend you take your little chrome bling piece off, attaches with 2 screws. Take that off and set that aside. And here's the seat cover. We have a little sticker in the front, shows you where the front is. And this is a whiskey tuck and roll cover. We start at the back. Very easy installation, even if the seat is on the bike. Pull it around the back, and then pull the front nose over. Rafa then pulls in the sides. You'll notice that we have a black line around the inside edge of the seat cover. That should line up with the edge of your seat. There's a pull stop on there. And you can do smoothing, getting that all adjusted to look real pretty. And when you're done, you just take your little chrome piece and you can push in there. Move that little piece out of your way. It leaves space for the screws and gives you a nice finished look. And there you have it, a beautiful tuck and roll seat cover for your Honda Super Cub. Thank you.